This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce bloom in Fortnite. Bloom is a fundamental game mechanic that adds a degree of randomness to your weapon's accuracy, meaning your shots might not always land exactly where your crosshair is. While you cannot completely turn it off, understanding and applying certain techniques can significantly minimize its effect, helping you hit more of your shots and improve your overall combat effectiveness. One of the most effective ways to combat bloom is by adjusting your firing technique. Instead of continuously holding down the fire button, especially with automatic weapons, practice firing in short, controlled bursts. For example, try firing 2 or 3 shots at a time, then briefly releasing the trigger. This allows your weapon's accuracy to reset, dramatically reducing the spread of your bullets and increasing your hit probability. Your movement and stance play a crucial role in weapon accuracy. When possible, try to stand still while shooting, as this provides a substantial accuracy bonus. Crouching offers an even greater boost to precision, making it ideal for engaging targets at medium to long distances. Conversely, shooting while jumping or running will drastically increase bloom, making your shots much less reliable. Always aim to be stationary for important engagements. Finally, your choice of weapon and consistent practice are key. Certain weapons, such as some assault rifles or designated marksman rifles, inherently have less bloom than others. Familiarize yourself with each weapon's characteristics and optimal engagement ranges. Dedicate time to practicing your aim and firing techniques in creative mode or on aim training maps. Regular practice will help you develop the muscle memory needed to consistently land precise shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.